how to fix the app not installed error when installing APKs using APK Editor Pro. If you've been struggling with this issue, this guide will help you solve it. So let's jump right in. Before we dive into the fix, let's quickly talk about the app not installed error. This error usually appears when you try to install an APK that has an issue with its signature, compatibility, or installation permissions. It's a frustrating problem, but don't worry, we can fix it with APK Editor Pro. First things first, you need to have APK Editor Pro installed on your device. Once it's downloaded, simply open it. Once APK Editor Pro is opened, tap on select an APK file to browse your device for the APK that's causing the error. Once you find it, select the APK file. APK Editor Pro will open it and show you various options to modify. There are several reasons you might be getting the app not installed error, but let's start with the most common fix. Tap on the full edit option. This will allow us to modify the APK file in the editing menu. We're going to focus on fixing the signing issue and package name conflicts. Now, one of the most common reasons for the app not installed error is a signature mismatch. You can fix this by resigning the APK. Another issue that might cause the error is the package name conflict. Simply make sure and choose whichever and whatever. Once you've done the changes, it's time to save the APK. Tap on save and select a location to save the modified APK. This will create a new APK file with the fixes we just applied. Now lastly install the modified APK. And that's it. You've successfully fixed the app not installed error using APK Editor Pro.